BMW has introduced a new M Performance track kit for the M2 Coupe. Priced at €23,500, it's approximate 25.2 Indian rupees lakh before taxes and installation. Available internationally from July 2026. Alongside, the M2 CS gets a new lightweight M Performance exhaust system that saves 8 kilograms and starts at €8,343.50, offering multiple sound modes. M Performance track kit for BMW M2. Launch, July 2026, Germany first. India launch not yet confirmed. Price, €23,500, rupee 25.2 lakh, before taxes and installation. Key features: Aerodynamics, manually adjustable front splitter. Diffuser, aero flicks, and fixed wheel arch diffusers. Rear wing, Swan-neck rear wing inspired by BMW M4 GT3 GT for race cars. Race mode, wing shifts 50mm rearward for maximum downforce. Street mode, road legal compliance. Adjustable angle of attack plus integrated brake light. Suspension, 4-way adjustable dampers, first time BMW offers road legal motorsport grade coilovers. Underbody, redesigned element for improved airflow and stability. M Performance exhaust for BMW M2 CS. Price, starts at €8,343.50, rupee 9 lakh. Weight reduction, 8 kilograms lighter than standard exhaust. Sound modes, multiple selectable profiles for varied driving experiences. Design options, available with carbon or titanium tips. Performance impact, no change to the 3.0-litre twin-turbo inline-6 engine, 530 horsepower in CS. But sharper sound and reduced weight enhance track feel. Things to note: India launch timeline not confirmed, pricing and availability may vary. Installation costs extra, both kits require professional fitting. No engine upgrades, purely handling, aero, and sound enhancements. Target audience: enthusiasts who want sharper track performance and exclusivity without altering core power output. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.